Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Inspo. Welcome to the art of upcycling. The secret is not just a fresh coat of paint, it's about seeing the story in the scratches and the characters in the cracks. We are not just restoring furniture, we are creating stunning decor that people will pay top dollars for. Cut to a montage of quick clips, a chair being painted a bold color or a new vibrant fabric being strapped onto the seat, intricate stencils being applied, and a finished piece with a sold sign on it. In We will walk you through the process from finding perfect before piece to stunning after. We will show you how to choose the right chair, what tools you can actually need, and the top 3 ways to turn weathered wood into a work of art. Ready to turn old chairs into new profits? Let's dive in. Finding your perfect piece. First thing first, you need a good foundations. Don't look for perfections, look for potentials. Check for solid joints, no major cracks, and a sturdy frame. A little wobble is fixable, but a broken leg might be a deal breakers. Look for chairs with interesting shapes, intricate carving, or unique spindles. These are the details that will make your final piece stand out. And don't be afraid of a little scuff. That's exactly what we are going to fix. With various tools laid out, they pick up a piece of sandpapers. Once we have got your chairs, it's time to get to work. Here are 3 proven ways to transform that weathered wood into a hot comedy. Demonstrates sanding and painting a chair a single bold colors like black, white, or navy blue. This is the most straightforward and popular options. Clean lines, a fresh coat of paint, and maybe a simple new seat cushions. The key here is a flawless finish. Sanding is crucial. A smooth surface ensures the paint goes on without a hitch. The style appeals to wide audience and is perfect for adding a pop of color to any room. Demonstrate distressing a chair using techniques like dry brushes or sanding away parts of the paint. For this look, we embrace the chair's history. You can achieve a beautiful weather feel with a distress finish. Start with a base coat, then add a contrasting color on top. Once it's dry, lightly sand the edges and corners to reveal the layers underneath. This creates a charming lived-in feel that's incredibly popular. Pair it with a simple natural tone fabric for the seat and you have a rustic masterpiece. Demonstrate more creative technique like adding stencils, decoupage, or hand painting a design. There is where you let your creativity run wild. Use utensils to add a patterns to the seat or back. Try a decoupage technique, using beautiful paper or fabric to create a truly one of a kind design, or grab some acrylic paint and create a freehand mural dirty on the chair. This approach turned a simple piece of furniture into a functional piece of art. Your masterpiece is finished, but the job is not done. The final steps is to market and sell your work. Good photos are everything. Stage your chairs in a clean, well lit space. Show your different angles and get close up shots of the details your work so hard on. List your pieces on market. So don't forget to like, subscribe.